Yo, what's up YouTube? Back again. I am unboxing a headlight for an Enduro. It's made by Polisport. It's a really nice headlight actually. Let me open it up, take a look inside. Came in this box here. That's what it came in. Check it out. Let's unravel this nice headlight. Because the stock Kawasaki KDX light is nice and everything, but you know, the plastic got so old, it was like brittle, it was falling apart. Well, if you see my other video, if you've seen one of my videos I done on the KDX, you can see, you know what I was talking about, how faded the headlights got. But this is really nice. I mean, you can't beat it. Plastic. I think that's plastic, but it's DOT specs. See the DOT? Really nice headlight. It even has a daytime running light in there, see that? Which is pretty cool. If you can see that. Yeah, see that little daytime running light? You can put an LED in there, that'd be neat. You could probably change this bulb to an LED, which is really cool. But yeah, it's a nice light. It came with the mounts here that go onto the forks, onto the triple tree. They gave you 3 of these, or 4 of these. I believe they, 1, 2, 3. I don't know, maybe just 3. They gave, yeah, no, 4. Here's the 4th one here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and some other plastic mounts here. I guess that it's a universal fit, so I'm assuming, you know, it's a multi-use headlight for street bikes. Not street bikes, dirt bikes. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know what kind of bulb that is though. It could be an H4, unless it's a standard motorcycle bulb, I don't know. Or standard Enduro bike bulb. No, this is a really big headlight bulb. Holy crap. That's a big bulb, man. But really nice headlight. You can't beat it for the price. It's better than the stock one. It looks better. Although I like to stay with the OEM look of the bike. You know, try to keep it OEM looking, but you can't always do that because these parts are very hard to find anymore for this bike. So yeah, it's not a bad headlight. It's pretty well built. It's definitely nice. It's not bad looking at all. Try to get this thing back on here and hold the camera. It's a little hard to do, but so yeah, this is the headlight from Polisport. It's decent. It's a nice light for the price. Can't beat it. It's under $60, so it's not too expensive. Really nice. I think it will look really good on the KDX. So I got the new fender on it, but this would look just, I mean, look at that. It just looks really nice. It looks really good. So I'm not complaining. It looks good. For the price, you can't beat it. So yeah, not bad. I'll be back with some more videos and updates on the KDX. So stay tuned. I got a rear fender. Really nice rear fender. It's got the light on it. It's made by UFO. I got the side panels, the radiator shrouds. I got those. Take a look. Got so much crap everywhere. So I got those in there, they're brand new. And I got the number plates, brand new number plates, which are the same as the KX500. For some reason, Kawasaki left some parts the same as the KX500 as on the KDX. So you can see these are the same style number plates that are on the KX 500. So these are interchangeable for the KDX and the KX 500, and these are for the other KDX. I got the abandoned one. You can see how clean that came out. See how clean that is? I got so much crap everywhere, but you can see how nicely that came out. Look at that. That's for the other abandoned KDX. If you've been following my channel and you see the other videos, you can see the abandoned KDX that I'm fixing up too. An abandoned 1991 KDX 200. That was abandoned. This is another one, but yep. That's it. I got the fender on there, and I'm just tinkering around with it, trying to get it back together. But yeah, this is the headlight. So like I said, for under $60, you can't beat it. It's a good deal. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back shortly, and I'll see you guys later. Be safe. Peace and hair grease.